Hello everyone, welcome back to Trainophile. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe to our channel Trainophile. Happy New Year to everyone. I'm so sorry to post the video so late this year, but I'm going to make sure that in 2023, the rest of the videos we are going to stay consistent. So wish me luck for that. Now let's begin with our today's topic. How to make a great small talk. Before I take you to the definition of what is a small talk, let's first understand why there is importance of a small talk and why should one know about a small talk. You feel nervous when you bump into a stranger who is about to ask you something. Are you terrible at remembering names? Do you find it difficult to recollect the names? You're socially awkward. You're scared to give information. Does this happen with you? Especially when you bump into someone, when you meet someone for the first time, or a stranger comes to you and asks for some information, right? So in these situations, it could be an elevator, it could be at the park, it could be at the station. So these situations are known as small talk. You know what? Small talk is a big problem for many, especially when you talk about adults. They become quite uncomfortable, they start feeling nervous, and they feel that someone is entering their territory to find some information. Incorrect conversation starts often lead to a little or a lot of awkward silences. So have you come across wherein people come to you, ask question, and there is a long, awkward pause? So small talk simply means light or casual conversation. So it simply means light or casual conversations. It's a social conversation about unimportant things, often between people who don't know each other very well. So it's just a social interaction wherein people would seek or come to you to seek information like get to know your name, where do you live, or what are your hobbies, or is there something around. So they would just come and ask you this information. Nothing important, nothing in particular. Now let's learn some strategies to keep the conversation flowing, because when there is a time to make a small talk, adults often freeze. Yes, they just cannot think and answer. There's a lot going on inside their mind, but nothing comes out of in form of words, in form of communication. So I'm going to share strategies to keep the conversation flowing. First one, start with a smile. Now, can you see the difference? Previously, I was not smiling, and now I have started smiling. Immediately, you can see the difference that has lit up in the video. So whenever you want to make a great small talk, you have to start smiling. Your smile signifies friendliness, it signifies openness, it signifies confidence, acceptance, and approachability. So tell the other person when you smile that you're friendly, you're confident, and you're approachable. Smile encourages and helps in making the first move. So if you give a smile, in return, you're going to get a smile 90% of the time. There is no exact formal way to start your small talk or your small talk communication. However, you can start with a smile. That is a good positive gesture. So the smile could be the one that you give or the one that you receive. So the one that you receive, you have to respond back with a smile. A simple smile allows you to be more compassionate to others. It's a perfect icebreaker in your small talk. Your smile can go a long way in helping people feel comfortable and they would open and talk to you. Small talk plus smiling. So this is a small talk plus smiling equals to happiness. A great start for a better day. So next time when you bump into someone, especially a stranger, into your elevator or an escalator or at the park, then start with a beautiful smile. Number 2 is asking correct questions. Yes, questions are important, but do you know correct and the right questions are definitely important? Asking the correct questions helps the person feel comfortable and get along with you very, very well. Now, talking to new people can be scary. It could make you feel nervous. But it's a great way to taste the water before you share more personal things with them. Ask questions like, where are you originally from? What brings you here? How often do you come here? Do you want to know the best gym? Do you want to know the best hotel? Do you want to know the best restaurant? Etc. So these are 5 questions you may ask in a small talk to make it interactive and to make it neutral. Asking the correct questions will set a balance for a small talk conversation. So don't try and ask personal questions when it comes to a small talk. Number 3 is finish strong. The way you're going to start the beginning, your ending should be bang on as well. It's equally important to end well, just like you began the conversation. Whether it is going back to work, meeting someone in the park, or going for a party, you should make the person feel very important. You should give the importance to the person's talk and the time. End your small talk conversation very politely if you're supposed to go at a different place or if you want to leave for some other work. So here are a few sentences that will help you to end your conversation or finish your small talk in a great manner. Number 1, I wish I could keep talking to you, but I have to leave now. See you soon. Number 2, I'd love to talk more on this topic, but I haven't said hello to so and so. I'll just get back to you. Number 3, it's been great talking to you. I'll share the phone number. We'll keep in touch. Number 4, I've got to go, but I really like your advice. And number 5, I'll keep you in the loop about how it goes. So these are some great endings in a great small talk that you may have in a situation. Wow, isn't that amazing? Now I think you have steps to ace your small talk. Now you know how to begin, what to ask in the middle of the conversation, and how to finish the conversation. So that is a compact solution to have a great small talk. Check out our previous video on small talk and check out our Instagram page. The link is there in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you soon with another important topic of soft skills.